And the question now is what happens with respect to these latest proposed regulations that basically wipe out or attempt to wipe out the protections under Flores and the 20-day rule. Right now there's a 20-day rule that these children are not to be kept in detention more than 20 days. There is the danger, I think, of really making things worse, because what we're really talking about is indefinite detention, detaining people who have past credible fears, credible fear interviews, and then detaining them for as long as their immigration court case could take. Right now we have more than a million plus backlog in terms of the immigration courts. So if you look at that million court case backlog, how long is it going to take for a case to proceed? Now, it may take a year, it may take 2 years. Most likely it's going to take several years. And then what the government's trying to do is say all of those people who are in detention, all the families who are in detention should be detained indefinitely while that process is pending. You're going to have an incredible number of people who are going to be detained. The more people who are going to be detained, the more overcrowding there's going to be. And now we have a federal district court judge in California who's ordered these children to have basic necessities. So if you think about it, you have a requirement to have basic necessities for a larger and larger and larger population. And so the question is, where does that money come from? This is just another way that I think the Trump administration has tried to do everything in its power, everything possible to restrict immigration and to really cause a situation that I don't think they fully understand will have dire humanitarian consequences.